I'm Hannah. Booking a health appointment, or really any appointment, can be super stressful. So today we want to take some of that anxiety away by providing a guide for how to book a telehealth appointment with a campus health center. The process or the booking system used may differ depending on your university, however, the basic steps are pretty much the same.
So when you want to schedule your appointment, you can go through two ways for Fresno State. The first is signing in through your student portal, going to your student self-service, to more resources, and to your student health portal. From your health portal, you can then go into appointments and book your appointments. Alternatively, you can go to the Student Health and Counseling Center website and schedule an appointment. This will also bring you to your health center. However you do it, you want to first go to appointments. There's an easy way at the bottom that you can read through that gives you step-by-step instructions on how to follow through, but for the sake of our video, let's do it together. So you would like to schedule an appointment and schedule an appointment. So first, you have to go through a couple of different steps. The first asking if this is an emergency. In my case, if I'm just scheduling an appointment for a check-in or say a cough or a cold, it wouldn't be an emergency. Read your terms and conditions of your check-ins. These can vary from university to university. Here's an example of what it looks like for Fresno State. Select the type of visit that you're going to have. So if I was going in just for a cold or something like that, I would select medical visit. And then you have two options. There are in-person and telemedicine, like we talked about. So in this case, the cold symptoms I would be experiencing would fall under telemedicine. So once I continue, you can see instructions on what the telemedicine visit is going to look like. And then you can choose what your symptom is. So say I have a cough. From there, you can put in a number of whatever number that you are going to input. And then simply just select your time. Select the time and day of whenever you want to have your appointment and search for your appointment. From here, you can scroll through, select a time that works best for you because this is a telemedicine thing. As you can see, all of these say via Zoom, so you know that you'll be able to join these from many different places and wherever is most accessible to you. Once you search and pick an appointment and continue, you can then go into booking it. Select your location of where you are, and then you can confirm your appointment. Since I'm not actually booking, I won't confirm it here, but easy steps, that's step-by-step of how you go through. And you can also verify your information here to make sure that the date, the person you selected, your reason, your number, location, all of that is correct. So you guys, it is a bit scary to do it first, but we promise it's easy and we believe in you guys.
Hopefully that helps you gain a better understanding of how to schedule appointments and how simple the process is once you start. Taking the first step is the hardest part, and we're grateful you tuned in. Thank you.